Okay, the first thing you want to do with kind of old, beat up, used tools um, is clean the handle. I've got hockey tape, and then there are these tennis racket tapes that are fantastic, super tacky, nice and soft, but also kind of sticky at the same time. But the simplest thing you can do is just put a little dish soap on it and just smear it on there and rinse it off. And then the other thing you can do is you can hit it with some sandpaper, but just start with a rinse and see how far that gets you.